everyone. Today I am going to tell you a great story of little sunflower. It also tells the life cycle of a sunflower at the end. Okay, so we'll start it. One gorgeous spring morning, all bright and warm with sun, the gardener came to see us. Our adventure has begun. I've dug a nice fresh bed, she said, all soft and clear of weeds. Spring's the perfect time to plant all my lovely seeds. She tipped me gently from the trowel into the cozy ground. The soil was soft and warm, with worms wiggling around. She tucked me gently into bed. There now, off you go. It wasn't long before my little shoots began to grow. I stretched my shoots and pop, I burst out of the ground. How wonderful it was to see the garden all around. Day by day I grew and grew, my big green leaves unfurled. It was nearly time to show my petals to the world. At last I was all ready. I spread my petals wide. I was a gorgeous sunflower. My face shone with pride. All summer long I chatted with the bees and butterflies. As the weeks went by, I felt different inside. My petals started wilting, and all round my head I felt my tiny flowerets turning into seeds instead. I started feeling sleepy. I closed my eyes, and then, when I opened them, I found I was a seed again. Look at that, the gardener said. The seeds are just a thing. Let's collect them up so we can grow more flowers next spring. They tucked us in a packet all dry and safe and warm. See you all next year, my friends said with a yawn. They planted me again next spring, and day by day and hour by hour, I was a beautiful, you guessed it. What was that again? Oh yeah, that is correct. It is beautiful sunflower. So the life cycle is sunflowers start with little seeds which grow into shoots, and then the sunflower turns green, and after that the sunflower is yellow and it has hundreds of little flowerets inside. After pollen comes into the flowerets turn into seeds, and the sunflower dies, and the whole life cycle starts again. I just want to mention, can you see Allah's creation? He created in a sunflower more little sunflowerets, which are hundreds of them, and they all protect the sunflower. When the pollen comes, then they turn into seeds. See Allah's creation. So this is the end of today's video. Next time I will come up with a new video. See you next time. Bye bye for now.